Welcome to this comprehensive guide on IoT Protocols Comparison. In today's connected world, choosing the right communication method for your Internet of Things devices is crucial for success. This presentation will help you understand different protocols and make informed decisions based on your specific requirements. IoT protocols are standardized communication rules that enable devices to exchange data efficiently and reliably in the Internet of Things ecosystem. These protocols define how data is formatted, how connections are managed, and how security is maintained. They also optimize power usage and handle bandwidth constraints. Understanding these protocols is the foundation for building effective IoT solutions. Let's explore the major IoT protocols available today. MQTT, or Message Queue Telemetry Transport, is widely used for its lightweight nature. CoAP, the Constrained Application Protocol, is designed for resource-limited devices. AMQP, or Advanced Message Queuing Protocol, provides enterprise-grade messaging. HTTP and HTTPS offer universal compatibility and web integration. Bluetooth enables short-range wireless communication, while Zigbee provides low-power mesh networking capabilities. Each protocol serves different purposes and use cases. MQTT is one of the most popular IoT protocols. It operates on a publish-subscribe model, making it lightweight and efficient with minimal bandwidth usage. MQTT offers 3 quality of service levels to match your reliability needs. It's particularly ideal for unreliable networks and battery-powered devices. Common applications include smart home devices, industrial monitoring systems, remote sensors, mobile applications, and any scenario requiring efficient communication with constrained resources. The Constrained Application Protocol, or CoAP, brings Res-TFL architecture to constrained devices. It uses UDP-based communication for reduced overhead and is specifically designed for devices with limited resources. CoAP supports multicast communication, making it efficient for group messaging. This protocol excels in scenarios with resource-limited devices, low-power networks, building automation, embedded systems, and machine-to-machine communication where efficiency is paramount. HTTP and HTTPS provide universal compatibility with a simple request-response model. They're firewall-friendly and easy to implement, making them perfect for web integration. The stateless nature of HTTP makes it straightforward, but less efficient for real-time scenarios. On the other hand, AMQP is a message-oriented middleware protocol offering guaranteed delivery and advanced routing capabilities. It supports transactions and is designed for enterprise messaging scenarios requiring high reliability. AMQP is more complex, but provides robust features for critical applications. When selecting an IoT protocol, several key criteria must be considered. Power consumption affects battery life and energy constraints of your devices. Data volume includes both the amount and frequency of transmission needed. Network type refers to your available infrastructure and connectivity options. Latency needs determine real-time requirements and acceptable response times. Security level depends on data sensitivity and encryption requirements. Finally, scale and range consider the number of devices and communication distance. All these factors work together to guide your protocol choice. The decision matrix provides a clear comparison across protocols. MQTT offers high power efficiency, low bandwidth usage, high range, high security, and low complexity. CoAP also provides high power efficiency and low bandwidth with medium range, medium security, and low complexity. HTTP and HTTPS have low power efficiency, but high bandwidth, high range, high security, and low complexity. AMQP features low power efficiency, medium bandwidth, high range, high security, but high complexity. Zigbee excels in power efficiency with low bandwidth and range, medium security, and medium complexity. Use this matrix to match your requirements with protocol strengths. Different scenarios require different protocols. For smart homes with low power consumption needs, short to medium range, and many small devices, MQTT or Zigbee are ideal. Industrial IoT applications requiring high reliability, real-time monitoring, and large data volumes should consider MQTT or AMQP. Agriculture sensors operating on batteries in remote locations with periodic data updates work best with CoAP or MQTT. Healthcare devices transmitting critical data with high security standards and real-time alerts should use HTTPS or AMQP. Matching your use case to the right protocol ensures optimal performance. Follow this systematic framework for protocol selection. First, define your device constraints including power, memory, and processing capability. Second, identify network requirements such as range, bandwidth, and reliability. Third, determine your data patterns including frequency, volume, and priority level. Fourth, assess security needs covering encryption, authentication, and compliance requirements. Finally, match your requirements to protocol strengths using the decision matrix. This structured approach ensures you consider all important factors before making your choice. Avoid these common pitfalls when selecting IoT protocols. Don't choose based on popularity alone. Select protocols based on your specific requirements, not just what others use. Never ignore scalability. Consider future growth and how the protocol handles increasing device numbers. Don't overlook power constraints, as battery life is critical for many IoT deployments. Choose power-efficient protocols when needed. Finally, never underestimate security needs. Implement proper encryption and authentication from the start, not as an afterthought. These mistakes can lead to costly redesigns and system failures. Let's recap the key takeaways. Remember, no single protocol fits all IoT applications. You must match the protocol to your use case. Always consider device constraints, network conditions, and data requirements together. MQTT excels for low-power, high-scale deployments with unreliable networks. HTTP and HTTPS are best for web integration and simple implementations. Use the decision matrix and framework presented here to systematically evaluate your options. Most importantly, plan security and scalability from the beginning. Choose wisely, implement securely, and scale confidently. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your IoT projects.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.